If you have already pre-ordered GTA 6 and you are wondering if you can preload the game right now, the answer is not yet. Rockstar has officially confirmed that GTA 6 preloading will be available, but it does not unlock immediately after pre-ordering. Preloading starts on November 12th for both PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S, which is exactly 1 week before the official release date on November 19th. So even if you already bought and pre-ordered GTA 6 today, you still won't see the preload option available yet. Once November 12th arrives, open your console library, find GTA 6, and then you will get the option to download the game early. Your console will install the full game in advance, so you are ready for launch day. But keep in mind, preloading only downloads the game. It does not let you play early. Until November 19th, GTA 6 will stay locked in your library and won't launch. So for now, if you already pre-ordered, all you can do is keep the game in your library and wait until November 12th to start preloading. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.